Here's Allen to throw it. Isaiah McKenzie hauling. That's on play action. They're going deep for Hill. It's off by Micah Hyde. They'll try and throw for it here. We're at Highmark Stadium in upstate New York. Today, underway in Buffalo. From his end zone, Isaiah McKenzie. And this for into the air right away is Allen. Looking left side, and he's got a man. That's Cook. And he'll be out of bounds right at the 40. 13 yards on the game's opening play.
Nice little nifty play for him there. Yeah, that's the ability to read a defense and utilize players that don't often get picked up in coverage easily. And I'm talking about being able to use the backs out of the backfield. Because I know that when I used to cover, hey, we get everybody oh, he just snuck out there, and they just got a nice first down there.
What do we love to say? Get those backs into space, right? And they were able to do that there. Nice pickup on first down. And a very elusive run as he'll wind up getting about 9 on that one. Again, it's Cook. And he is going to be stopped cold behind the line of scrimmage. They'll come to the line, needing only 2 yards to gain the first here. They'll run it. Here's Cook. And able to pick up the first across midfield to the 47. So now 1st and 10 as they've crossed into Miami territory at the 47. Now Allen. Oh, hit as he throws there, incomplete.
Well, they've been back on their heels a little bit here in this drive, but a chance to exhale just a little bit there with incompletion on first down. Now they have to gear up, try and get 2 more stops, and escape this drive.
To throw on 2nd and 10. Allen setting up the screen for Cook. And they're going to get this to about the 44-yard line. And the line to gain here is the 37 on 3rd down. Here's Allen to throw it. Isaiah McKenzie hauling it in. And he's got another first down as he's brought down at the Dolphins' 19. A really nice gain of 25 yards. So here's a 1st and 10 now down inside the 20. Devin Singletary with his first carry of the game. And he'll get him inside the 15 down to the 14-yard line. Javon Holland coming up to make the stop.
A quick burst there, and he nicely bit off a pretty decent gain.
Right back to Singletary on 2nd down. It'll only be a gain of a yard, and it sets up a 3rd down and 4 now.
And the big fella stuffed that one up in a big way. I think doubling him has to be a priority because you can't move up to the next level if you don't take care of him first.
Throwing now is Allen. Over the middle, complete. That's McKenzie. Touchdown! Isaiah McKenzie from 13 yards out. And the Bills are on the board first here this afternoon. And Bass to kick it away. Hill is going to take it out of the end zone. And tap to Iloa, and the Dolphins come up 1st and 10 at their own 21. They'll run here with Raheem Mostert. And he is brought down at the 22 after a gain of 2, and it brings up 2nd down. From the 22, here's 2nd and 8. Tua going to throw. And it's incomplete.
You want to be able to stay on the field for a little while, let your defense catch their breath a little bit, even if you don't score any points.
And he is going to go from the 36 now. 1st and 10. On play action, here's Tua. They're going deep for Hill. And it's intercepted. Picked off by Micah Hyde. And the Bills are going to get the football here as he gets it a long time.
Just begging to be picked off, wasn't it? It's one thing if you're throwing a ball like that, trying to throw someone open or lead them into an area. But that ball needed to be thrown with a lot more conviction. As a result, it's an easy interception.
Second down at 6 now from the 42. Singletary again. And he'll be brought down just shy of midfield at the 49-yard line. Allen off the play fake. That's caught by Gabriel Davis. And he'll go down, but not before getting this inside the 30. They'll run on first down with Singletary. And he'll get this one down to about the 27. The run only got a yard. Here's 2nd and 9. To the air. Allen. Blitz coming, and down he goes. So after the sack, Allen and the Bills with work to do on 3rd and long. Back to throw. Allen. And that is forward
when this drive is over. The kick by Batch tells his defense, don't let them score off of this. You've got to put out the fire. In fact, in 2021, that's what one NFL coach termed his defense, the firemen. Go out there, guys.
At the line, ready for their next drive. They find themselves down 10-0 early after the interception on their opening drive led to a field goal. So
now they've got to pick up the mantle a little bit. You mentioned a team's defense that you think is going to be effective and execute it at a high level.
Second down, here's Mostert again. And down right around the 32.
He's hoping that's going to break big and go the distance. But when you get a nice game like that, you're able to do so many things anyway. You can come back and run essentially the same play again, continue to move the ball on the ground, or you can decide to throw the ball now because usually you have the defense back on its heels.
A throw there, but that's going to wind up in. They're going for it. Here's Tua with it. Throw left side here, complete to the tight end, Gesicki. And he will have a Dolphins first down as they manage to convert, and that'll keep the drive alive. Looking to pass. Tua. He's going to drop this underneath to Mostert. And Tua now on first down. The pressure gets there, and Tua is going to be taken down. Work to be done here on 2nd and 16 after the sack. Tua sets up to pass it. This one complete to Jalen Waddle. And he's got a first down as the tackle made at the down inside the 20. Inside the red zone here, they'll look to throw. And he's going to go down. He's sacked back at the 24. So after a rare misstep on this drive, they'll try to make amends on 2nd and 15. Now here's a look for
made the contact just as he's trying to haul it in.
Got a man, it's Waddle, complete. Mike McDaniel, no hesitation on his end. He's telling his offense to go for 2. They'll give it to the fullback up the middle. Now following the touchdown to kick. And a short kick taken at about the 16. Start their next drive. And we'll see how this is played. Offensively, they've got the lead. Not a whole lot of time left. What do you think, Charles?
Well, it's tempting to try and add to your lead, but a mistake there, that can change things in a big way. I say go ahead, take the knee, get on out for the half.
Now a timeout. On first down, Allen. Oh, it's a screen pass. That's good. So still 14 yards to go. Second. A final shot before half for Allen. He'll air this one out deep for Davis. This is intercepted. Picked off Byron Jones. What adjustments this offense made in the locker room. Haven't really been able to get anything going offensively. Virtually nothing in the ground attack either. So certainly something has to change here in quarter 3.
And I'm pretty sure their friends from the defensive side of the ball told them exactly that, because those guys, the stop troops, they've been playing pretty well. They've kept them around in this game. Now, they got some time. The running game struggled in the first half. Opposition knows how to focus on defending the pass here. They've got to re-energize that ground game and maybe open things up for a comeback here in this half.
Now on 3rd and long, they'll look to throw. Got a man complete to Cedric Wilson. It'll be a pickup of 16, but they'll remain short of the marker, and it's 4th down. They'll try and throw for it here. And it's incomplete. They cannot convert, and they turn it over. Boy, a curious decision to go for.